I'm back, and today I've got goodies. I got Queso Twisty Frito-Lays, Yellowstone Ranch Frito-Lays, and this may be old news, but I didn't see it. Kit Kat, birthday cake Kit Kat. Anyway, today's a good day because it's freezing outside. It's 29 degrees. I put on a coat that I couldn't fit into last year. It fit because I lost 20 pounds. So I'm still, I know you eat so much, but not all the time. Anyway, let's get into it. Yellowstone Ranch. My prediction is they will taste like ranch. They smell like Fritos. They look like Fritos. I think you may be getting that I'm a ranch lover. These taste very strong of ranch. So therefore, I love them. Good. Ranch flavored Fritos. I'll give it a 10. Good. Okay, so they don't spill out. I will take a cleansing drink. Part of that weight loss, if you want to know, is drinking a lot of water, and I drink a lot of tea. Oh, my baby boy saw the chips. These are Frito-Lay, Frito brand, flavored twist queso. Okay. Oh, dear. Fritos. Twisty. They're good. It says they're jam-packed with flavor. They sure are. They have that cheesy, spicy queso flavor, and they're really, really good. I did not think they would be this good. I'm going to take another one. Yeah. So you got the little picture of queso there. So it's like dipping your chip in a queso dip. Cheesy, spicy. Yeah, I like it. It's very good. Not too hot because, I don't like hot things. Or some hot things are okay. But, if it's going to turn your tongue on fire, where's the fun? I eat because it tastes good. And the Kit Kat birthday. Now, I'm pretty sure this is old, been here quite a while, but I have never tried it. So, in case you've never tried it, we'll try it virtually together, which I guess not really, because, only if you had one, then it would be virtually together, right? Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. There we go. Okay. And it's a Kit Kat, and it's pretty colors. I crochet. I want to make an Afghan like this with these colors. I know it sounds weird, and it kind of has nothing to do with food, but this just reminded me of a yarn I want to use. This is the extra large. I will be sharing. No, I will. I will. Okay, it's your Kit Kat. Oops. Oh. Okay. Your Kit Katty wafers and goodness inside. Okay. There's sprinkles inside, or maybe those little white, well, I guess those little colors are sprinkles. So you're getting the little crunchy of the sprinkles, which is okay. And then you're getting this creamy inside part. It says white cream filling. And then the, obviously, white chocolate of the outer layer. Yeah, that's right. So, these were all hits. I don't know if they're new. I'm just saying I've never seen them before. So, that's all I got. If you see any value, please like and subscribe. It would help me so much. And thank you to my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. And thank you to my old subscribers for sticking with me. You're helping me grow, and I thank you so much. And I will say goodbye on this very cold Sunday. You have a good day.